So far, you've learned about the benefits of infrastructure modernization, the various compute options available, including virtual machines, containerization, and serverless computing. You've learned the difference between private, hybrid, and multi-cloud strategy, and the benefits of the global infrastructure that Google Cloud provides. Now, let's look at some specific Google Cloud solutions. In this video, I'll cover VM-based compute options, including Compute Engine, Google Cloud VMware Engine, and Bare Metal. Next, I'll look at Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE, which is a container-based compute option. Finally, I'll explore three serverless computing solutions: App Engine, Cloud Functions, and Cloud Run. Let's start with Compute Engine, which is a computing and hosting service that lets you create and run virtual machines on Google's infrastructure. Compute Engine delivers scalable, high-performance virtual machines running in Google's innovative data centers and worldwide fiber network. Compute Engine VMs boot quickly, come with persistent disk storage, and deliver consistent performance. This solution is ideal if you need complete control over the virtual machine infrastructure. It's also useful if you need to run a software package that can't easily be containerized or have existing VM images to move to the cloud. To better understand how Compute Engine works, let's turn to an example of a company that used this option to overcome challenges and scale their business. Spotify had reached a tipping point with their current business model where it wouldn't be able to scale any further. By leveraging Compute Engine, Spotify was able to effortlessly scale their business to reach millions of users. Google Cloud has allowed Spotify to build the audio network of the future and continue innovating, all while providing users with billions of unique experiences. Another VM-based solution is Google Cloud VMware Engine. This is a type of software that you can run on a virtual machine. Google Cloud VMware Engine is a fully managed service that lets you run the VMware platform in Google Cloud. Google manages the infrastructure, networking, and management services so that you can use the VMware platform efficiently and securely. An example of a company that uses Google Cloud VMware Engine is DBG, one of the world's leading exchange organizations. They use Google Cloud as the foundation for scalable, resilient, and compliant infrastructure for financial markets. Using Google Cloud VMware Engine, DBG was able to spin up a new private cloud in under 40 minutes with minimal disruption. This enabled them to scale their business on demand and meet customer needs while still using their VM tools and existing processes. The final VM-based compute solution we'll cover today is Bare Metal. You can migrate many existing workloads to the cloud easily. However, some specialized workloads are difficult to migrate to a cloud environment. These workloads require hardware and complicated licensing and support agreements. Bare Metal enables you to migrate specialized workloads to the cloud while maintaining your existing investments and architecture. This allows you access to and integration with Google Cloud services with minimal latency. Next, let's look at the Google Cloud container-based solution, Google Kubernetes Engine, often shortened to GKE. Google Kubernetes Engine, or GKE, provides a managed environment for deploying, managing, and scaling your containerized applications using Google infrastructure. The GKE environment consists of multiple machines, specifically Compute Engine instances, grouped together to form a cluster. GKE allows you to securely speed up app development, streamline operations, and manage infrastructure. An example of a company that used GKE to improve their business is Current. Current is a financial technology company that offers a debit card and app made for teenagers. Current uses GKE to improve time to market for application development by 400% while eliminating downtime for users. Finally, I'll cover three serverless computing solutions. Let's start with App Engine. Google App Engine is a platform as a service and cloud computing platform for developing and hosting web applications. App Engine lets app developers build scalable web and mobile backends in any programming language on a fully managed serverless platform. This means app developers can focus on writing code without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. IDEX Laboratories, Inc. develops and manufactures veterinary care products and technologies, including diagnostic tools and information technology. IDEX used Google App Engine to launch VetConnect Plus, an app that gives veterinarians anytime, anywhere access to clinical decision support data that keeps pets healthy. By leveraging Google App Engine, IDEX Laboratories was able to save up to $500,000 in annual IT spend. Now let's look at another serverless computing solution, Cloud Run. Cloud Run allows developers to build applications in their favorite programming language with their favorite dependencies and tools and deploy them in seconds. Cloud Run abstracts away all infrastructure management by automatically scaling up and down from zero almost instantly, depending on user traffic. But how can Cloud Run improve businesses and offer real-world solutions? Well, Veolia Group provides access to water, waste, and energy resources for millions of people across 52 countries. It develops sustainable solutions to preserve and replenish these resources across communities and industries. By leveraging Cloud Run for their algorithms, Veolia has benefited from automatic scaling, multiple route support, and fast deployments, all while saving money. The third serverless compute solution is Cloud Functions. Cloud Functions is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services. It offers scalable, pay-as-you-go functions as a service to run your code with zero server management. Cloud Functions offers a simple and intuitive developer experience. You or your developers can simply write your code and let Google Cloud handle the operational infrastructure. With Cloud Functions, developers are also more agile as they can write and run small code snippets that respond to events. Lucille Games is a good example of a company that optimized their business by harnessing Cloud Functions. Lucille Games used Cloud Functions and other Google Cloud solutions to build apps, run servers, and create original games that can scale to millions of users on demand. As I mentioned before, infrastructure modernization serves as the foundation for digital transformation. It's important to think carefully about your cloud strategy and what compute options you can leverage. How you build your architecture influences how your business harnesses applications, manages data, and ultimately develops and thrives with this ever-evolving digital age. Whether you're able to embrace innovation or whether you're constrained by your cloud environment is determined by the choices you make now. In the next module, we'll explore another important factor in your cloud adoption journey: application development. Leveraging the right applications in your business can transform how you work and unlock new value. And application development in the cloud doesn't belong exclusively to the IT team. Click on the next module to find out more.